Pangalan?
Hello po, I'm Kim.
Taga saan ka po?
I am from Iloilo po.
Nice. How much ba yung estimated na nagastos nyo dito sa pagbisita sa Boracay Island, yung whole na kabuuan?
Actually, if in our case, I think we're on a budget po kasi, no? And actually, we just arrived last night.
Nice.
And I think sa bus, that's around 500 plus. Then another package from the other island, the other side. Going dito, I think it's around 500 plus din as well. Then we have a quick dinner. Siguro, an estimate po for the meantime is, so far mga around 2,000 pa lang po so far.
2,000. Pero how many days are you going to stay here sa island?
Actually, we intend to stay here until Monday morning, tomorrow morning.
So like mga 4 days or 5 days?
That's roughly like 3 days and 2 nights po.
So what is your estimated costing for the whole 3 days na nagstay kayo sa isla? Lahat-lahat na?
Siguro, if we're going to take into account everything, siguro po mga 6,000 siguro minimum yun, I guess.
Oh, not bad. 6,000 for just you or kayong tatlo?
In my case, I think that's for me lang po muna.
For you.
So, hindi pa yung kasama yung ibang mga pinamili namin.
Nice. Si Sir Kim is from Iloilo, so parang hindi na siya nag-airplane. Instead, nag-bus na lang siya kasi pwede naman i-land tour yung Boracay Island. For only 6,000?
For 6,000 pesos po, so far. Siguro.
For 3 nights, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you din po.
What's your name?
My name is Katerina.
Katerina, where are you from?
I'm from Austria, Vienna.
Wow, I love your country. By the way, can you share with us how much did you spend on your Boracay vacation?
On my vacation, for the hotel I spent 200 euros. It's more or less like 18,000 in Philippine money, yeah.
For how many are you?
We are 2 persons and stayed 4 nights.
And what hotel did you stay?
Farah Hotel. Farah Hotel?
Yeah. That's a nice hotel, by the way, for like 18,000 for
4 nights.
4 nights.
Yeah.
Wow.
Siguro mga 100 to 120.
Anong pangalan mo?
Nika,
Taga saan si Nika?
Tondo, Manila.
Alright, pwede mo ba ma-share sa ating mga ka-islanders na pupunta ng Boracay kung how much ba yung nagastos nyo dito or estimated costing lang sa Boracay Island?
Kasi 9 persons kami, so siguro mga 100 to 120.
For how many days yon?
3 days, 2 nights.
And saan kayo naka-check? Anong hotel yung pinag-check-inan nyo?
7 Stones sa Station 2.
Not bad mga ka-islanders for 9 person. It's 120k tapos 7 stone. That's a nice hotel by the way, right?
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Nami.
Taga saan?
We're from Manila.
Okay, can you share with us kung how much yung estimated cost na nagastos ninyo dito sa Boracay for your entire stay?
Estimated namin is 12,000 per head na yun.
Per head?
Yes.
Ilang packs ba kayo dito?
6 kami. Good for 3 days, 2 nights.
So parang 12,000 times 6. Ilan kaya yun?
100, 100, no,
100.
100. I mean, 50 plus something.
For 6 person, 3 days na yun, no?
Oo.
Saan kayo nakastay na hotel?
Sa Fairways and Blue Water.
Oh, not bad. Yung 50,000 for like 6 person, tapos fairways pa. 50,000 is super worth it. Tapos kasama na dun yung gala, food.
Yes. So, ang gagastusin na lang namin yung, for example, yung mga souvenirs, like that. Extra food.
Thank you. 50k is not bad for 4 nights plus 2 hotels pa yung pinagstayhan nila. Not bad, di ba? What's your name?
Claire.
You?
Kelly.
Taga saan sila?
Ako from Rizal, from Tarlac.
So can you share with us how much ba yung estimated cost na nagastos ninyo dito for your entire for your entire stay dito sa Boracay Island?
I think for the estimated for the both of us is 50k. Pero siguro may mga stuff pa na mabibili. So hindi pa yun yung fixed talaga na price na ma-settle ko ngayon, sa ngayon.
For how many days ba kayo magstay here?
5 days and 4 nights.
And saan kayo naka-check-in?
La Carmela, Boracay.
5 days and 4 nights yun, no?
Yes, pero yung last day namin is sa Eurotel kami.
50k is not bad for 4 nights plus 2 hotels pa yung pinagstayhan nila. Not bad, di ba?
Yes, nakakuha kasi kami ng promo sa La Carmela. I think less than 10K lang yung hotel namin.
O, di ba mga Kailanders, hindi po 700 to 800K ang nagagastos dito sa Boracay Island. Right?
Yes!
What's your name?
I'm Christine.
Where are you from, Christine?
Originally from Calibo, pero I'm working in Makati.
Okay, how much yung naggastos or estimated costing ninyo dito sa Boracay Island?
For 2 nights and 3 days, siguro per head is around mga ano siguro 20,
20K per head.
lahat na yon.
For like how many days yan?
3 days na until ano na yun. But yun na yung budget.
Budget. Kasama na doon yung food,
Yes.
gala, accommodation, and yung airfare.
Yes, yes.
Balikan na yun.
Yes,
Saan kayo,
kasama na.
saan kayo naka-check-in?
Amigos and La Carmela.
Nice, not bad. For 20K for 3 days, tapos 2 hotel pa yung pinag-check-in na ninyo for 20,000 pesos with gala and stop and food. Sulit na sulit yung 20K, right?
Yes, yes.